Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable Instagram notifications on iPhone. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner and go to settings. Now tap on notifications. Here under push notifications you will see that pause all option is disabled. When you enable it, you will not get any notifications from the app. So you have to keep it disabled. You can also fine-tune according to your preferences. Now after all this, if you still don't get any notifications from Instagram, then close the app and go to settings. Now scroll down and here you will see all of your apps. Now tap on Instagram. Here you will see your notification is turned off. You can turn it on from here or you can go back, scroll up and tap on notifications and search Instagram here and tap on that. Now to enable Instagram notifications, you have to enable allow notifications. After enabling the notification, you'll see many options to customize it as you like. And that's how you enable Instagram notifications on your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.